Hello, Farhan.
Hey Ben, what's up?
Guess what? I think I left my camera at your place after we finished editing those wedding videos.
Us, Snap. Let me check my bed. I think I saw you toss it there when we are both super tired. Wait.
Yeah,
Yeah, I got it, bro.
you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously?
Yeah.
You're a lifesaver, Farhan. Can you back up the memory card to your laptop? I'm freaking out about losing this pic.
No, sweet. I'll get it on in right now.
You're the best, dude. So, are you free later today? I'll swing by and grab my camera.
Yeah, I shall be around. How just hit me up when you're on your way.
Yeah, I will zoom, Farhan. Thanks again.
No
Thanks.
problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hasni Subakti. My number is 4424 1725, and I come from class 441M01, majoring in communication science or public relation. Here I want to explain the result of my English assignment in the form of present perfect PowerPoint material tense. Okay. First of all, the cover is material present perfect tense. Alright, Hasni Subakti. And this is my name and this is my class. Okay, next for what is present perfect tense? The perfect the sorry the present perfect tense connect the past and the present. The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to describe action that occurred at an unspecified time before now and which have a connection to or impact on the present moment. It links past event with the current state. Next, it is used to talk about action that occurred at an unspecified time before now. Next, the action may have a result or impact in the present. Okay, this is for the next slide is formula present perfect tense. Meaning is the present perfect tense is format using have or has depending on the subject and the past participle and participle of the main verb. Okay. For the first formula is positive sentence. Positive sentence is the formula is subject plus have or has plus past participle. Okay. The positive sentence is a subject plus have or has plus past participle. Example, she has visited Paris. Next example is they have finished their homework. Next is negative sentence. Formula present perfect tense in negative sentence is subject plus have or has not or hasn't. Okay, plus past participle. The negative sentence is subject plus have or has not plus past participle. Example, I have not seen that movie. Next example is he hasn't complete the task. Okay. Next, the formula is question. Question, the formula present perfect tense is a have or has plus subject plus past participle. Question formula present perfect tense question is have or has plus subject plus past participle. Example, have you eaten lunch? Next, has she arrived yet? Okay, next. The next slide is the when to use present perfect tense. And if you are confused when you to use the present perfect tense, here the slide here can explain Can explain your answer. Your question, sorry. Okay. When to use present perfect tense? 1. Show action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. Example, I have met him before. Number 2, describe action that start in the past and continue in the present. Example, she has lived. She has lived in this city for 5 years. Okay, number 3, express experience. Example, they have traveled to many countries. Number 4, indicates action that have recently finished with relevance to the present. Example, I have just finished my homework. Okay, you understand? Next slide is time expressions in present perfect tense. Common tense expression used with present perfect. Ever, 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 for questions or experience. Example, have you ever visited Japan? Next is never. Never, I have never seen such a beautiful sunset. Already, for action complete before now. Example is she has left the office. Yet, for negative sentence or question. Example is we haven't finished yet. Just just you just use for action that happened very recently. Example is I have just received the email. Okay, next, since used at starting point in the past duration of time. They have known each other for 10 years. Next slide is example of present perfect tense. One is positive. I have studied English for 5 years. They have cleaned the house today. They have completed the project. She has studied French for 5 years. Next is negative. Example is he has not called me yet. He haven't eaten dinner yet. We haven't finished our lunch. He hasn't read the book yet. Next is question. Question example is has she visited the museum? Have you done your homework? Have you seen the movie? On and the last question is has she called you? Okay. Next. In the slide is present perfect versus simple past. Sorry. Perfect present perfect focus on the connection to the present. Example, I have lost my keys and now I cannot find them. Simple past focus on an action complete in the past. Example, I lost my keys yesterday. Okay. Important difference if present perfect does not specify when the action happened, while simple past does. Okay, next slide is common mistakes or kesalahan-kesalahan yang sering terjadi ketika kamu menggunakan present perfect tense. Okay, common mistakes. 1. Using the wrong verb from past form instead of past participle. Mistake. Contoh or example mistakes. I have went to the store. Correct. I have gone to the store. Explain. The verb go should use the past participle gone, not the simple past when. Okay. Next is using simple past instead of present perfect. Example mistake is I ate lunch already. Correct. I have eaten lunch already. Explanation. When talking about action that have relevance to the present use the present perfect tense have eaten rather than the simple past ate. Okay. Number 3 is omitting have or has. Mistake, she finished her homework. Correct, she has finished her homework. Okay. Explanation is the auxiliary verb has from for third person singular is needed to form the present perfect tense. Okay. Next is practice time. Fill the blank with the correct form of the verb in the present perfect tense. I visit Paris 4 times. Okay. In the slide, your guys can fill the blank. Okay. Next. Conclusion is the present perfect tense help us connect past action with the present. Use it to talk about life experience, past actions with present relevance, and action that share in the past and continue now. Keep practicing with time expression like ever, never, already, yet, since, and for. Okay, I think enough for materi present perfect tense. Um, for the last, I will thank you for everyone have to see my video project. Okay, I'm Hasni Subakti. Thank you for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.